Let's go.
My favorite part's probably my friends and also like the coding projects because they're really fun and like that's what Steamoji is. They teach you in a fun way.
Tonight we're going to be performing a drone show that we have coded for the past 7 weeks.
We're excited to be working with Steamoji Academy here in Vancouver to bring drone light show technology to the next generation of drone show designers.
Each kid designed a part of the show. They were involved in the drone technology, in the design technology, also using like new technology tools to create this amazing show.
I think parents are starting to realize the future is closer than we realize, and that's essentially what we do at Steamoji. We give kids future-facing skills in robotics, coding, fabrication, as well as a growth mindset to be ready for whatever the future holds.